In this video, I'll show you how to put VPN on Xbox from phone, meaning how to set up a VPN on Xbox using your phone in a safe, legal, and simple way. Before we start, make sure to use the NordVPN link in the description so you can follow along with a trusted and secure VPN that works perfectly for this method. First, it's important to understand one thing clearly. Xbox does not support VPN apps directly, so you cannot install a VPN on the Xbox itself. However, what you can do, and what is completely legal and safe, is route your Xbox internet connection through your phone while the VPN is active on your phone. This way, your Xbox gets the VPN protected connection without installing anything on the console. Let's start with the phone setup. On your phone, open the NordVPN app and sign in to your account. If you don't have it yet, use the link in the description to install NordVPN and get a great deal. Once you're logged in, connect to a VPN server of your choice. You can pick a nearby server for better speed, or another country if you need access to region-based content in games or apps. Now, once NordVPN is connected on your phone, the next step is to share your phone's internet connection with your Xbox. If you're using an Android phone, go into your phone's settings, then open Network or Connections, and look for Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Turn on the Mobile Hotspot while keeping NordVPN connected in the background. Most Android phones share the VPN connection through the hotspot automatically, which makes this method very easy. If you're using an iPhone, the process is similar. First, make sure NordVPN is connected and active. Then go to Settings, open Personal Hotspot, and turn it on. As long as the VPN is connected before enabling the hotspot, your Xbox will use that VPN protected connection when it connects to your phone. This method is fully legal and safe because you're simply sharing your encrypted internet connection. Now move over to your Xbox. From the Xbox home screen, open Settings, then go to Network and select Network Settings. Choose Set up Wireless Network, and from the list of available networks, select your phone's hotspot. Enter the hotspot password, connect, and wait for the Xbox to confirm that it's online. Once connected, your Xbox is now using the VPN connection from your phone. This helps protect your online activity, reduces the risk of DDoS attacks in multiplayer games, and allows you to access region-specific content safely. You can confirm the connection by opening the browser on your Xbox or launching an online game and checking that everything loads normally. Keep in mind that hotspot speed depends on your mobile data and signal strength, so for best performance, stay close to your phone and use a strong network connection. This method is ideal for quick setups, travel, or situations where you don't have access to a VPN-enabled router. To wrap it up, while you can't install a VPN directly on Xbox, putting a VPN on Xbox from your phone is completely possible using NordVPN and a mobile hotspot. It's safe, legal, and very effective. If you want a reliable VPN that works smoothly for this setup and keeps your connection secure, use the NordVPN link in the description to get started at a great price.